But y'all, this hair feels, woo, shit. What's up, y'all? So today I did my hair and it's basically a regular sew-in, no frontal or closure because I can't wear a frontal. The last time I wore a frontal, it broke out my hairline and I just can't do it. But anyways, this is for my girls who still like wearing, you know, regular sew-ins with leave out. You see my hair is still flat, it's still cute, my hair blends perfectly. So let me just stop talking, let's get into the video. But before we do, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. So this is basically my braiding pattern. I'm just braiding it away from my leave out. All right, so I got all this to do over here. It really don't matter what braiding pattern you do. Just make sure you got an anchor braid. And if you don't know what an anchor braid is, it's just a braid that goes like this. So you could do like anchor braids and then do the rest going straight back. Or you can do an anchor braid and just have them all go in the same direction like I'm doing. Yeah, this is the first braid that I start off with. And I just part it like this. Ow, what the fuck? Alright, so I got my first section ready to braid. I like to make sure that this first braid is thin. In general, I don't like to do my braids too big because, girl, it's not gonna be cute. Like, it's just not. Ooh, now I see what people be talking about when they say that I braid too tight. Because, girl, this shit hurt. Ooh, my arms is hurting, child. Okay. Okay. So, I'm done with this braid. Alright, so this is the next section for my next braid. When I get like hair, I like to grab this braid and just pull it up to connect it and just keep braiding. So yeah, this is how the braid looks when you connect the braids together. I'm gonna come back when my hair is completely braided down. It was like one piece hanging in the back and I already sewed it up. Now I'm about to use this oil and just put it on my scalp. I'm at the top of my hair and I'm almost done. I'm on my last bundle. I have in 3 bundles right now. And this is my last bundle, okay? So, damn, it just got hot. I want to try to fit this whole bundle, but I don't think I'm going to be able to, but I'm going to try to just do as much as I can. My needle is already in my hair, and I'm about to just take this track. I like to put my needle underneath like this, and then just pull it. I go under like this. Some people go over, but I don't know. This just seems more comfortable for me. Sometimes I like to make a knot, but I haven't really been making knots in this sew-in because they kind of take up time. And I'm just trying to get my hair in, okay, so I can be real cute. So I just pull it through. I just push the needle through like that and I just pull it and make sure it's just real tight. As long as it's tight, it ain't gonna come loose. Hopefully I won't have to cut my tracks. I like to just fold my tracks over. Yeah, sometimes I put the needle through the track because it makes it more secure. But I only do that at the end when I'm about to flip it. And my hair is in my way. I should have got a clip or something. But now I'm about to flip it like this. I'm just gonna sew this down while I'm holding it in place. I did the watercolor method on this hair to make it black. The hair came like it already, what the fuck, I can't talk. It already came a dark color, but I like my hair to be black, so I did do the watercolor, and I was gonna record it, but I didn't, child, cause I wish this last bundle could have fit. Alright, so I'm gonna lay this track right here.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, so I'm done with my hair. Please excuse this dirty ass scarf. Your girl be letting her baby hairs all the time. But anyways, I'm done with my hair. And your girl got inches. Inches. Period. So I just gotta flat iron my hair and get it together. But your girl's gonna get cute. It's Yeah, so I'm gonna get real cute. And I need to go get my flat iron. So let me go get my flat iron and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got my flat irons heating up. I got them plugged up, but I gotta turn it on. And y'all, these flat irons heat up in like 2 seconds. But they work real good and they get real hot. So I'm trying to heat all the way up because you know your girl gotta get it silky straight. So this is some not Brazilian, this is Peruvian straight. So hopefully this hair gets straight pretty fast. I went to sleep with this hair in like a braid, so it got a little bit of wave to it. But like I said, it's Peruvian straight, so it should straighten, you know, real fast. If it don't, I'm gonna get my money back. Let me take these earrings off. Woo. Ooh, that's just with like one pass. That's what we doing, okay? Let's keep going. Ooh, yes, honey. You see the difference? This side is straightened, this side is not. So that's cool. That's real cool. I never had hair that straightened this quick. So I straightened this side, and I still need to straighten this side, but I'm gonna go ahead and take off my scarf so I can flat iron my real hair with this hair. And ooh, wow, feels good to take that damn scarf off. I hope my tracks get covered because I left out a tiny bit of hair, like almost, I left out almost no hair. What if I was to just walk out the house like this? I'm not using any heat protectant because I don't have any, and it don't really matter because my hair don't really get heat damage that fast. But y'all, this hair feels, woo, shit! This hair feels just like my natural hair. Like, damn, that's crazy. Like, it blends so good with my hair. So y'all, my sister wanna flat iron a piece. I'm gonna let you do the weave because I don't want you to burn my natural hair. So you gotta comb it first. And then I'll do the flat iron. Do the flip, wide. Renegade. Alright, you ready to flat iron?
Yeah.
You want to flat iron it the way I do it, or you gonna?
How you flat? I don't want to touch the hot part.
You ain't gonna touch the hot part, but you go like this. You put it on the hair, right?
Yeah.
And then you put the comb in front of it and go down like that.
Okay, I know what you're talking about.
You scared? She's scared to hold the flat iron. It's hot, but it ain't gonna burn you. This part not hot. It's just that part.
Alright, turn around.
Like that. Mara, why you so scared to hold the flat iron? Just hold it.
Okay. So we're gonna come in. Keep it coming.
Wait. You gotta hold the comb. Well, you can just flat iron it without the comb. Cause you ain't gonna do it. I'm just gonna have to redo it though. And I gotta redo this back piece. Ooh, that's hot. I feel that hot. Let me see how you do it. Yeah, you gotta redo it. Baby, give me something on. You did kind of good. Why is that sun stuck in my head? You know what song that is?
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna go over it again, but it's good. Yeah, you did good. Yeah. Yeah, you did real good. That was your first time flat ironing?
Yeah.
So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe so that you don't miss another video. And I will see y'all in my next video. Mwah! Bye y'all.